Oh, hi. Uh, Miss Sophia Bush, are you there? You were asking for handcuffs, correct? I got handcuffs here for you and I. See? I put it in one hand, wrist, closer, and here's the other side, for you, for your arm, for your wrist. You won't be able to go away. You might love it. Let's stay together like handcuffs. Las esposas. I mean, see? You want handcuffs? Here are they. Just tell me where you are. Alright? Need you aren't here. Won't go anywhere. See, we got the key here. Uh, I'll leave it here. The other part for you. I just throw the key away. Correct? Hmm? Okay. See you.